Okay, this is lesson 52, adding polynomials. Polynomials means multiple or many terms. So 3 or more terms is a polynomial. So we're going to add and subtract them. So I would like you to imagine what we're doing today is kind of like, let's say I had 2 big baskets of fruit. Okay, they're all mixed up. So let's say I had a basket of fruit here, and I had a basket of fruit here on this table. So let's say I took my basket of fruit and I wanted to organize all the fruit and I wanted to count how much of each fruit there are. Well, what's the best way to do that? Form out and sort them, separate them, okay, and then you count them, right? Would you agree? So if I take my first basket, I'm like, okay, here's an apple, okay, here's an orange, banana, apple, 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 orange, orange, banana, banana, watermelon, apple, apple, okay? Right? And then I take my second basket, and I still do the same thing, banana, 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 orange, orange, and so forth. Then I can count each pile separately, right? Does that make sense? Yeah. So we're doing the same thing today. We're going to sort terms and put them together when you add and subtract them. That's all you're really doing, okay? So these are the steps. You already have these written down. If you're on the video, just pause it. Here we go. Number 1. Just watch me work out number 1 and 2. Pencils down. So, we have a trinomial plus another trinomial. So, what we need to do is just just identify the terms. So, we have all these different kinds of terms, and they're all being added together. So, what I'm going to do is start with the first term. So, we got 3. So, we want to combine like terms. So, 3 plus, let's see where there's another constants. Oh, there's more constants here. 3 plus 8 is 11. So, I'm going to write down 11. And then I'm going to cross out 3 and 8 because I know I'm done adding those together. Then I'm going to look at the next term, which is negative 4x squared. Negative 4x squared plus, well, there isn't any x squareds on this side, so we're just going to bring down negative 4x squared right here. Okay, cross that out. Next one is negative 2x. Well, negative 2x plus, well, there's more x's here, negative 2x. So negative 2x plus negative 2x is negative 4x. Cross those two out. And then we have plus 6x to the 4th power. So we want to bring that down too. Okay. So now we've counted and added all the terms. We combined like terms. Now we want to write it in descending order. So we have x to the 4th here, x squared. So we want the biggest exponent, which is x to the 4th. So we're going to start by taking that term positive 6x to the 4th. So 6x to the 4th. And then we're going to go get the next one, negative 4x squared. Next one is negative 4x. And we end off with the constants at the end, plus 11. Okay? So again, identify the terms, combine like terms, rewrote it in descending order. That's it. Okay, watch me do number 2. Number 2, we have negative 8p to the 4th. Well, we have these, actually, 2 trinomials. This trinomial plus this trinomial. Okay, so start with here. Negative 8p to the 4th. Look for p to the 4th. So, look, plus 7p to the 4th. So, negative 8p plus 7p to the 4th is just 1p, or negative p to the 4th, or just negative 1p to the 4th. Cross these two out. We're done counting those. Then we have negative 8. Negative 8 plus positive 5 is going to be negative 3. Okay, next one, cross those out, is negative 7p to the 5th. And then we have plus negative 3p to the 5th. So we got, that's negative 10p to the 5th. Cross those out. And then we still have the 7p to the 4th, so we add that. Okay, so we combine like terms, starting with the biggest exponent, looks like it's p to the 5th, so it's going to be negative 10p to the 5th power plus 7p. Why did I do that? Oh, did I not count that? Oh yeah, I counted this. This shouldn't even be in there. This is already, I forgot to cross it out. You see how easily it was? I counted that twice. So, sorry about that. Negative 10p to the 5th minus p to the 4th minus 3. Okay, so it's really important you cross out the terms that you're supposed to cross out so that you don't have make the same mistake by counting it twice.
That's all we do.
That's it. That's today's lesson. So what I'd like you to do is turn to your neighbor, explain the steps on it. Why don't we have one still about number 1, 2 talk about number 2. Ready, set, go.
Do you write them down?
When I'll tell you to. Shh. Number 3. Go back. Quiet down, please. Okay, number 3. Okay, number 3. I think you can do this in one turn. Here we go. Number 3. So number 3. Let's start with P. Oh, we got 3, or trinomial plus another trinomial, or polynomial. Okay, so P. What can we combine P with?
8P.
Okay, so let's give you P plus 8P is?
9P to the second power.
9P. Okay. Cross P and 8P out. Okay. Next is 5. What do I combine 5 with?
8.
Good. 5 plus 8 is?
13.
13. So it's positive 13. Cross these two out. Next one. 6P to the 4th plus 3P to the 4th is?
9. 9P to the 4th.
Okay. Okay. What is the biggest exponent here? Good. So rewrite it. You're going to go 9P to the 4th power plus 9P
Plus 13.
oh, plus 13. That's it. Make sense? So I think you can take it from here, and that concludes this lesson.